Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into a massive, totally industry-altering shift happening in the world of business analysis. We're talking about the transformation from your traditional business analyst to an AI BA. Listen, if you've ever felt completely bogged down by endless document formatting, or you've sat in a meeting literally struggling to get business stakeholders and developers perfectly aligned on a vision, well, this is absolutely for you. See, AI is now taking over the heavy lifting of formatting those massive documents, think user stories, BRDs, FRDs, and even spinning up wireframes. And the best part? This shift isn't about replacing you. It's about elevating your roles so you actually have the time to think about edge cases and identify those really critical strategic gaps. So let's jump right in.
First off, get a load of this staggering number, 80%. According to the RAND Corporation, over 80% of AI projects fail. And the primary reason? It's actually not a lack of computing power or, bad code. It's a fundamental disconnect between leadership and technical teams. And that is the exact gap that the business analyst is supposed to bridge. But let's be real, traditional BAs are often so overwhelmed with administrative tasks that the strategic alignment just completely falls through the cracks. By transforming into an AI BA, you become that crucial missing link that prevents your organization from becoming part of that 80% failure rate. So here's our roadmap for today's explainer. We'll cover 1. The paradigm shift. 2. Automating docs and emails. 3. Pre-development flow. 4. Bridging business and dev. And finally, 5. Human judgment and edge cases. Let's get to it. All right, kicking things off with Section 1, the paradigm shift. What exactly does this new role actually look like? Well, the International Institute of Business Analysis, or IIBA, actually coined a pretty cool new concept for this. They call it AI for BA, which stands for Artificial Intelligence Solutions for Business Analysis Professionals. Basically, the days of just acting as a scribe in endless stakeholder meetings, those are finally over. BAs are now using AI to research topics before a meeting even starts, instantly transcribe and synthesize those conversations, and automatically draft initial requirements and user stories. The AI BA uses these tools kind of like a co-pilot for their daily tasks, instantly transforming messy, unstructured data into super clear, structured starting points. Moving right along to Section 2, let's zero in on what is arguably the biggest daily advantage here, automating docs and emails. AI's true superpower in this space? It's formatting. I'm talking about business requirements documents, functional requirements, user stories, acceptance criteria, the whole 9 yards. Platforms like Clearly have shown that by feeding structured inputs, like your project context, stakeholder info, or interview transcripts into an AI wizard, you can generate a complete, beautifully formatted first draft BRD or PRD in literally 15 to 30 minutes. Imagine the hours or even days that gives back to you. The AI handles the structure, so you can handle the strategy. But, how do you actually get good results? Because you can't just type "write me requirements" and expect pure magic. As demonstrated in a really fantastic tutorial by Tech Canvas, it all comes down to prompt engineering. Step 1 is providing rich context, like uploading a raw Zoom transcript. Step 2 is absolutely critical. You have to assign the AI a persona. Start your prompt with something like, "You are an experienced senior business analyst." That anchors the AI's output in the right professional tone. And then step 3 is generating and meticulously reviewing and refining what it spits out. Let this be your foundational rule right here. You always need a human in the loop. And this exact same logic applies to your daily communications too. There is a massive difference between a vague prompt and a properly engineered one based on guidance from SendBoard. If you want to draft an email to a stakeholder, don't just ask the AI to write an email. Direct it. Tell it to be concise, use bullet points, limit paragraphs to 5 sentences, avoid jargon, and wrap up with a single, crystal clear call to action. By standardizing these engineered prompts, the AI BA ensures their communication is always perfectly clear, which saves precious time for both you and the reader. Okay, let's pivot to Section 3, pre-development flow. We're moving from text-based documents to how AI BAs are now visualizing the future before a single line of code is even written. AI is completely rewiring how we prototype. Based on insights from the Anima blog, we can see that different tools serve very different pre-production needs. For instance, if you just need a quick, rough workshop sketch, Miro AI Canvas is fantastic for that. For generating specific prompt-to-screen UX flows, UX Pilot is purpose-built for that early exploration. And for serious high-fidelity workflows, Anima can actually turn Figma designs into working React apps and functional prototypes. By using these tools, the business team gets to actually see the flow of the application in the pre-production stage. If there's an issue with the user journey, you catch it and fix it right now, rather than discovering it during an incredibly expensive development cycle later on. But hey, we definitely have to be careful here. As Figure Design wisely points out, fast prototypes often skip the product logic. AI can generate a screen that looks incredibly polished in seconds, sure, but a pretty screen doesn't mean the workflow actually makes sense in the real world. A true high-fidelity prototype still needs to answer core product questions. Who is the user? What exact flow led them here? What happens next? The AI BA uses the visual to anchor the conversation, but still completely relies on their own expertise to validate that underlying logic.
Which brings us perfectly to Section 4, Bridging Business and Dev. How do these tools actually solve that 80% failure rate we talked about earlier?
Well, it's all about creating the perfect handshake. As industry experts point out, the single biggest hurdle between BAs and IT developers is ambiguous requirements. When a BA leverages AI to generate highly structured, standardized requirement docs and then pairs them with those AI-generated wireframes we just looked at, magic happens. In discussions with the dev team, these artifacts help them understand the technical requirements effortlessly. Meanwhile, the business team gets a concrete idea of the exact changes being built well before production begins. The AI BA essentially becomes the ultimate translator, ensuring total alignment across the board.
Finally, let's hit Section 5, Human Judgment and Edge Cases. This right here is where your true, irreplaceable value lies.
Look, we absolutely have to talk about the pitfalls. The golden rule of AI is and always will be garbage in, garbage out. AI can generate a highly professional, beautifully formatted document based on completely terrible inputs. On top of that, AI hallucinates. That TechVan's analysis we mentioned, it showed that while AI is great at spotting obvious user stories, like submit an expense, it often completely misses implicit requirements, like the back-end API call needed to actually fetch an employee's reporting manager from an HR database. It might also just invent unnecessary features that sound good but aren't actually needed. You cannot blindly trust the machine. So, because the AI is handling all that tedious formatting and drafting, you, the BA, finally get your time back. And what do you do with that time? You dive deep into hunting down edge cases. You look for conflicting success metrics, like, say, a stakeholder demanding a 40% cost reduction while simultaneously asking for dedicated support staffing. You catch overlapping scope statements, and you validate real technical constraints. This high-level, critical thinking is the true domain of the AI BA. And that brings us to our final thought. As the sources remind us, AI is not making business analysts obsolete. No way. But it is absolutely making mediocre requirements gathering obsolete. The practitioners who are going to thrive are the ones who combine their analytical judgment with these AI tools to ship better products faster and with way fewer costly misalignments. The transformation is already here, folks. The only question left is, are you ready to become an AI BA? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I really hope this gives you a powerful new framework to take into your daily work.